Hi kids, welcome to Spelling by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Fill the missing letter.
Are you ready for another fun spelling quiz? Read the question and look at the picture. Then fill in the missing letter. Question 1. R-O-B-T. Fill in the blank. A-O-B-A. The correct answer is robot. O. Question 2. P-I-Z-A. A-Z-B-S. The correct answer is pizza. Z. Question 3. J-U-N-L-E. A-G-B-J. The correct answer is jungle. G. Now please subscribe the channel. Question 4. R-O-C-E-T-A-K-B-G. The correct answer is rocket. K. Question 5. We-A-M-I-R-E-A-P-B-B. The correct answer is vampire. P. Question 6. D-O-L-H-I-N. A-F-B-P. The correct answer is dolphin. P. Hey superstar, want to show how fast you can read? Ask Mama or Papa to book your reading challenge below. Fun activity. Pretend to fly like a rocket. Question 7. C-A-C-U-S. A-T-B-K. The correct answer is cactus. T. Question 8. W-I-Z-R-D. A-A-B-O. The correct answer is wizard. A. Question 9. P-I-R-T. E-A-A-B-O. The correct answer is pirate. A. Fun activity. Wave your hands like a wizard. Free one-on-one reading check. Know your child's reading level in just 30 minutes. Click link in description. Question 10. M-O-N-T-E-R. A-S-B-C. The correct answer is
monster. S. Question 11. A S T dash O N A U T A R B L.
The correct answer is
astronaut. R. Question 12. T O R N dash D O A B E.
The correct answer is
tornado. A. Question 13. G O R I dash L A L B R.
The correct answer is
gorilla. L. Question 14. S A N D W dash C H A I B E.
The correct answer is
sandwich. I. Final challenge. Question 15. D I N O S dash U R A O B A.
The correct answer is
dinosaur. A.
Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Awesome job, kids! If you had fun, like the video, and for more videos like this, subscribe the channel.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.